Hey guys, let's see how to install a Cinnado B6 camera. It's a solar camera, so you need to install the camera and also the solar panel. And basically here you have everything that you need for the installation. It comes with the mounts and also with the screws and anchors. So it's super simple. You just need to use a tool like this and start your installation, okay? So here is the solar panel. Let me just show here the way I'm gonna install this. It's gonna be that way, so I can just adjust on the angle that I want to get the sunlight here. And then the camera here, I need to install this mount first. So it's coming here, right? And then after I just put the screws, I'm gonna slide the camera just like so. Super simple. Just come here and slide the camera that way, snap it in place, and I'm good to go. Super simple, okay? Let me start here with this solar panel first. So you can use a template that comes with the camera, or you can mark directly here. Let me just remove from here first. See that I can have the mount first, and later can just screw the solar panel. So I can come here, for example, let's say I'm gonna install it here. I can come here and mark the location. Just do this here, that way. I'm not going to use a template right now, but I just mark the location that way. Works as well. There we go, I have the 3 marks, and I'm going to use a tool like this just to start a hole here. Super simple. If you're using a wall, that'll be different, right? You need to use the anchors. It's not my case here. Then I grab the drill and come here. There we go, I have the 3 holes. Now it's time to install this bracket. There we go, the bracket is in place. Now I just come with the solar panel. There we go, that way I can just adjust the angle and tighten it up. Then it's time for the camera installation. I need to install the bracket first. So I'm going to mark the location. Install the bracket with the screws. Before sliding the camera here, just need to remember to put this up, because those are the antennas, right? Then I just slide here in place. Snap it in place, and I'm good to go. Then I just connect the power from the solar panel to the camera. Super simple. Remember that before installing the camera, you need to charge it up, and then later the solar panel is going to charge the camera up, right? Then now it's time for the setup. You just need to come here to the camera, use your cell phone and download this app, the Wansview Cloud app. When you come here, just open it up. I already have here. You log in with your account, come here to this plus icon and look for your camera, okay? In this case, it's an outdoor camera, so I just select outdoor and look for the model here. In this case, it's the B6. Here we go. And then I just select here to read the QR code. And I just need to come here on the bottom of the camera. See, there's a button here that I need to press to reset the camera. Or if the camera is already flashing here, red and blue, the camera is ready to go. So in this case, it's ready to go. So I just come here, hit next, just select here that the indicator is flashing. Next, and here just insert the password for the Wi-Fi and hit next.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
So you hear the instructions, just need to point to the camera.
QR code scan is successful.
Okay. Just wait for it to connect.
Wi-Fi is connected.
There we go.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
There we go. You just name your camera. Put any name that you want here. Let's say front door, for example, or backyard. Let me just select here backyard. Hit OK. And you're good to go. Hit OK again. And here you can start your free trial for 30 days and you're good to go. Now your camera is now working, all right? Okay guys, so I moved the camera close to the window here so you see the image and it's working pretty fine. And I can move here using the pen and tilt, right? Super simple. And I can even come here to the settings, share the device with friends and family here. And I also come here to the motion detection, adjust the way I want, because the idea is just to record with motion detection. I can record into the cloud storage if I want to, or I can just record the memory card. I installed the memory card before putting the camera in its location, and then I just need to come here, format the SD card, and adjust the motion detection, and you're good to go. The camera is going to record according to the schedule 24/7, right? So it's working pretty fine. Basically, that's the way you can install this Cinnado B6 camera. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here. Also leave your thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I see you in the next video.